In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create custom Canva frames using Canva and Figma. By the end, you'll be able to turn any simple shape, icon, or even text into a frame you can drop photos into right inside Canva. All you need is a design open in Canva and a free Figma account. Start in Canva with the design where you want to use the custom frame. Choose a solid vector shape, an icon, or a bold piece of text that you want to turn into a frame. Simpler, filled shapes work best. Thin outlines or very intricate cutout details can be harder to clip cleanly. Once you've chosen it, download it as an SVG file so it stays vector. In Canva, that means going to Download and selecting SVG as the file type. If you see multiple objects selected, you can temporarily isolate just the shape you need before exporting so the file stays clean. Now switch over to Figma and open a new design file. Drag your SVG straight into the canvas or paste it in. You should see your vector appear as a single shape layer. If it came in as multiple pieces, make sure they're grouped or flattened so it behaves as one object. With the shape selected, look to the right-hand sidebar for the fill section. By default, it's set to solid. Click where it says solid and change the fill type to image. This step is what converts your vector into a proper container. You can leave the default image Figma adds. It's just a placeholder to turn on image behavior. If the image looks stretched, that's fine, we're not keeping it. The key is that the shape now acts like a mask for images. Next, export the shape from Figma as a PDF. With the shape still selected, go to the Export section at the bottom of the right sidebar. Choose PDF as the format. And click Export. Keep it as a vector PDF. You don't need to rasterize anything. Head back to Canva and drag that PDF right into your design. It will import as a single element, and here is the magic. It now behaves like a frame. Try dragging any photo from your uploads or Canva's library onto the shape. You'll see it snap inside. Double-click to reposition the photo, scale it, or nudge it around until it looks perfect. To swap images later, just drag a new one on top and it will replace the current fill. If something doesn't act like a frame, double-check that you exported a clean SVG from Canva, switch the fill to image in Figma, and export it as a vector PDF. That's it. Thanks for watching.